The anti-lock braking system, ABS, module is a crucial safety feature in modern vehicles, designed to prevent wheel lockup during braking and thereby maintain vehicle control. However, like all mechanical and electronic components, the ABS module can fail, leading to potentially hazardous driving conditions. Recognizing the symptoms of a failing ABS module is vital for ensuring your vehicle's safety and performance. Here, we delve into the top 7 signs of a bad ABS module, explore what might cause these failures, and discuss the costs associated with repairing or replacing the module. Number 1. ABS warning light illumination. The most immediate sign of an ABS module issue is the ABS warning light on your dashboard staying illuminated. This light should only briefly come on during startup to indicate the system is checking itself. But if it remains lit, it's signaling a problem. This could mean anything from a minor sensor issue to a significant failure within the module itself. Often, this light might be accompanied by others like the check engine or traction control, suggesting a more complex problem. The ABS module relies on data from wheel speed sensors to function correctly, and any fault in this data stream will prompt the warning light. Ignoring this sign can lead to compromised braking performance, making it essential to have your vehicle inspected by a professional to diagnose and address the underlying issue. Number 2. Brake lockup. A primary function of the ABS is to prevent the wheels from locking up during heavy braking, ensuring the vehicle remains steerable. When the ABS module fails, this safety feature is lost, potentially leading to brake lockup scenarios. You might notice this during sudden stops or on slippery surfaces where the vehicle either doesn't stop as effectively or begins to skid. This symptom is particularly dangerous because it can extend stopping distances dramatically, increasing the risk of accidents. The failure here is due to the ABS module no longer managing brake fluid pressure correctly, leading to full brake application without the necessary modulation that prevents lockup. Immediate action is required to restore safe braking capabilities. Number 3. Unresponsive or stiff brake pedal. Another symptom of a malfunctioning ABS module is an unusual feel to the brake pedal. It might become stiff, requiring more force to engage or feel spongy, indicating that the module isn't controlling brake pressure as it should. This happens because the solenoids or hydraulic systems within the module aren't functioning correctly, leading to either too much or too little pressure in the brake lines. Such a condition can make braking unpredictable, which is hazardous, especially in emergency situations where quick and reliable braking is crucial. It's important for drivers to recognize this symptom early and avoid extended use of the vehicle until the issue is resolved. Number 4. Speedometer issues. The ABS module and the speedometer share data from wheel speed sensors, so a problem with one can affect the other. You might notice your speedometer giving erratic readings, showing speeds that are too high or too low, or not working at all. This symptom often goes unnoticed until other ABS issues are evident, but it's a clear sign that there's a communication failure between the sensors and the module, or the module itself is malfunctioning. Speedometer accuracy is not just about knowing how fast you're going. It's integral to the vehicle's safety systems, including ABS and traction control. Number 5. Traction control problems. Traction control systems work closely with the ABS, using the same wheel speed sensors to detect and adjust for wheel slip. A failing ABS module can therefore lead to traction control malfunctions. You might experience the vehicle struggling to maintain grip, particularly in adverse weather conditions, or see the traction control light activate, indicating system issues. Without proper traction control, the vehicle's handling can become compromised, which is particularly dangerous in conditions where road traction is already reduced. This symptom underscores the interconnectedness of modern vehicle safety systems and the importance of maintaining all components in working order. Number 6. Unusual noises during braking. A faulty ABS module might also produce unusual sounds during braking, such as grinding, clicking, or a whining noise. These sounds could be due to air in the brake lines, mechanical wear within the module itself, or the ABS pump attempting to compensate for a failing system. Such noises are not only indicative of a problem, but can also lead to further damage if ignored. The presence of these sounds during braking operations should prompt a swift inspection to diagnose whether the noise is indeed coming from the ABS module or another part of the braking system. Number 7. Inconsistent brake performance. Finally, if your brakes perform erratically, sometimes feeling normal and other times too soft or too hard, or if the vehicle pulls to one side during braking, these are signs of an ABS module issue. This inconsistency stems from the module's failure to regulate brake pressure evenly across all wheels. It's a safety concern because it affects how you can predict and control your vehicle's stopping power. Such erratic behavior can lead to accidents, especially if you're not prepared for the brakes to respond differently from one stop to the next. Causes of ABS module failure. Several factors can lead to ABS module failure, including electrical issues like short circuits, mechanical wear over time, environmental damage from road salt or water, and sensor failures which confuse the module with incorrect data. Each of these can compromise the module's ability to perform its safety tasks. Replacement cost. The cost to replace an ABS module varies widely, with parts ranging from $150 to $900, depending on the vehicle's make and model. Labor might add another $80 to $300, though in cases where the module is part of a more complex system like the hydraulic control unit, costs can escalate. The total expense could be anywhere from $200 to $1,500 or more, factoring in the need for possible system recalibration or coding. Given the technical nature of the job, professional installation is advised, ensuring the safety and reliability of your vehicle's braking system. To extend the life of your ABS module, regular maintenance is key. Keeping the wheel speed sensors clean and free from debris or salt can prevent sensor malfunctions that might stress the module. Regular checks of the entire brake system are also beneficial since issues like low brake fluid or worn brake pads can indirectly affect the ABS module's performance. Avoiding driving through deep puddles or flooded areas reduces the risk of water damage to the module. Using quality parts during repairs ensures compatibility and reliability with the ABS system. Lastly, protecting your vehicle from harsh environmental conditions, especially road salts used in winter, by frequent washing or using protective coatings can guard against corrosion. Diagnosing ABS module issues requires specialized tools and knowledge. An OBD2 scanner can reveal basic error codes, but not all problems are detected this way, especially if they're intermittent. Advanced diagnostic scanners allow for deeper interaction with the ABS module, checking for communication errors, sensor data accuracy, and hydraulic system integrity. Physical inspection for signs of water damage, corrosion, or mechanical wear complements electronic diagnostics. A test drive under controlled conditions can confirm symptoms reported by the driver, providing real-world data. Interpreting ABS error codes is crucial, with manufacturer-specific codes offering more detailed insights into potential issues than generic ones. Understanding these diagnostic methods helps in pinpointing and resolving ABS module problems efficiently.